What's up, guys? And before we get started today, I want to remind you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all that fun stuff. And at the end of the video, I will be describing where I think the S&P 500 is going, so don't forget to stay around for that. So first thing we got is Amazon. What's happening with Amazon? And I think I put, so yesterday, let me tell you, myself and I, me, my wife, my son, my 8-year-old, and then 5 friends, we have like a paper trading game going on. Ashley put this on yesterday in the paper account. Most of the positions I tell you I put these positions on, actually all of them are real positions. This is not a real position. This is one that Ashley had put on yesterday, and she is up. We can look at her account. This is her fake paper trading account. She is up 30% on the day, 35% open. So she took a fake $11,000 position on Amazon. She was bullish. And where do I think Amazon is going from here? So yesterday it was trading at around $93, $94. Today it traded up to 90, 95, 96. She took her bullish position, said, hey, I don't think it's going to drop below $85. I'm selling the $85 put. She makes it out to this blue line. She will be up 7%. So right now we're bullish on Amazon. If you had to have my opinion on Amazon, if it had to have my opinion on Amazon, where's it going in the next 30 days? Well, I'm not a very good stock predictor. That's why I do things with the large margin for error, like Ashley sold the 85 put. So I would say we're gonna stay between $81 and we may test this $102. If you break that, I think we'll see maybe testing of $106. I think we're gonna stay within these lines here by 322. That's my opinion. I'm wrong most of the time. But that's a pretty decent technical analysis. The reason I use these numbers is because you have really good resistance right here, and then you had really strong resistance at that next line. You go look back, I believe, we stayed within this range. Now back here we were trading at like $1,600 or $1,800, but because of the split or whatever, now it's looking like 98 or whatever. So that's adjusted for the split. Anyways, that's where I think we are going to be at. I believe we're headed for stagflation. Most of the things are just going to be neutral for a while. I think we may see a dip lower, and probably beyond 30 days, probably break this line and rip lower. That's just my opinion. It might not be the popular opinion. I hope you guys have the ability to short stocks and stuff, because that's another way to make money. All right, Microsoft. Tesla. Why don't I have Tesla? Let's talk about we're gonna talk about Tesla too, but Microsoft. This is a position my son took yesterday, my 8-year-old. He said we're gonna be bullish at 235. So he sold the 235 put. By the way, this Amazon position, this was a 7.5% return if she makes it to the blue line, stays above the red line. Zeke took a Microsoft position. He is going to make 11%. This is fake paper trading account. He's second place, by the way. I don't keep saying that until he's not. We score at the end of every month, so there will be another scoring, and we'll see if he loses his second place position. Anyways, he's trying to stay above this red line, which is why it's bullish. It's actually bullish to neutral, because you could go sideways, you can even come down a little bit. As long as he stays above this red line, by the blue line, he'll be up 11.1% on this particular trade. Let's see what he did. He has the fake IRA. I think he's down on this. Yep, he's down. Oh, he is. Oh, okay. So he's up 6%. He went back to flat on the day. This is for him. It's about a $12,000 position, and he is up $12. Whoop whoop. 87 open. So that was his little fake position. And so Zeke, my 8-year-old, is bullish on this. I agree. I think he'll stay above the 235 by this date. And the range, I think we'll stay somewhere between 217 and 275. I think it's a safe range. We're bullish on this at 235. So Amazon, bullish. Microsoft, bullish. Not financial advice. If you're trading stocks, if stocks are your trading vehicle, being right about being bullish or bearish is going to be, it's a very unforgiving place, using stocks as your trading vehicle. So, next up, SPY. That's what we're going to do last. I'll just go ahead and type in Tesla. Tesla, that's what everybody wants to know about, right? Tesla. So we had this channel we were staying in. We came down. We broke out of the channel. And right now, I just exited. I had a position. I had a bearish position on Tesla, and I closed it for 10%. But now, I am waiting to see Tesla do something. So right now, I really don't know. Tesla, to me, is like an unknown beast. I think it could. I think we're gonna stay within these lines. I think we could retest the 160 area. We could bounce. We could stay within this range. We could rip above this line. We could test that 250, 255 area. It could really go crazy and test up here. I think we're gonna stay within these lines. If we break this lower support, we could revisit the 100 mark. So, anyways, I have no idea where Tesla's going. I think probably between these two lines here within the next 30 days. This vertical line is the next 30 days. So I'm waiting to see it do something. I love to see Tesla move and then take a position after it moves. We do see, I don't like the MACD. I don't know why it keeps popping up. The MACD just crossed over, so that's a bearish signal. I'm not a big fan of the MACD. I like the stochastic. So the stochastic, see, you know, if I can pull the MACD back up, it says we're just now getting bearish. Well, the stochastic told you we were bearish 3 days ago. So that's why I like the stochastic. Now you're starting to see the green line start to curve a little bit to, maybe a turnaround and maybe a rip back up. So there you go. That's how I feel about Tesla. And lastly, SPY. I'm trying to make these videos nice and short. Where are we at? 7 minutes. Cool. We're almost under 10 minutes. So here we go. Where do I think the S&P 500 is going? I just drew these little lines. Not financial advice. I really like to do what I've showed you so far in this video, and that is to sell lottery tickets. That is my metaphoric version of saying sell vertical spreads or sell credit spreads. I like to do that because there's so much room for error. But S&P 500, where do I think it's going? Well, it looks like we're currently trading right here in this small little tiny daily candle. A whole lot of nothing so far. It's 12.18 on the 22nd. So I think we could come down, go ahead and tap this area of support, then come probably about halfway back up, and then rip past the support, then use the support as resistance, and then come back down again and revisit the 360 area. So that's where I think we could be in the next 30 days. My personal opinion, not financial advice. Anyways, that is it. That is a summary of S&P 500. Did we hit everything? We did not. Okay, good. I'm glad I remember this. Okay, this is where I did get filled today, and I think I showed you my account. This is where I'm trying to get filled. In real life, I did get filled on WYNN, and I got filled at 66, not 64. So I sold a lottery ticket for $66. I did get filled on that in real life, so I am bearish at 115. I've been wanting to get short WYNN for a while, and today it ran up a lot. It pumped the premium for the lottery tickets, so I sold the 115 for $66. It says this per spread or the tranche or whatever, but the individual spread, the 115 by the 120, that was a sold lottery ticket for $66. So I got filled at this white line right here, and you can see it's in a rising wedge. I believe it'll fall. My price target is 109, 108 for WYNN. It has like NA on PE, so it's not profitable. Last I checked for memory. And we see here, the blue line, I do have an actual danger zone right here. I've been FOMO, like, fear of missed opportunity. I've been FOMOing in because I've a lot of stuff has fallen, and I haven't been able to short stuff. Well, I mean, I could have, but I was just like, I want to be patient. And so today I was excited. I was like, you know what? I'm not worried about it. Who cares? It'll rip up here. By here, it's probably going to come back down and probably retest this area. So that's how I feel. Best trade of the day, in my opinion, would be WYNN Resorts, and I am short at 115. And this pays, let's see, 15.2%. That would be my return if I stay below the red line, by the blue line. So I like this trade a lot. And that is pretty much it. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Please do comments, and bam, that's it. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video.